Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Statement by GAM, Deputy of Free Acheh Movement Council, Bakhtiar Abdullah. GAM celebrates 45th anniversary, 4th December 1976 to 4th December 2021. The Free Acheh Movement, or popularly known as Gerakan Aceh Merdeka, together with all the people of Aceh all over the globe, commemorates the 45th anniversary of the Re-Declaration of Independence of Aceh today. We celebrate this historic day in remembrance of our freedom fighters and loyal Acehnese that have fallen in the battlefield against foreign invaders, beginning from the Dutch aggression in Aceh in 1873 until the continuation of the neo-colonialist regime of Indonesia. Since the Re-Declaration of Independence of Aceh by the late His Highness Tengku Hasan Muhammad di Tiro at the Chokkan Mountain in Tiro on 4th December 1976, we have witnessed the bloodshed and atrocities perpetrated by the neo-colonialist regime of Indonesia, whereby an estimated 30,000 innocent Acehnese were killed, properties destroyed, women raped, our people were robbed, and mass violation of human rights perpetrated by the Indonesian Armed Forces, or the TNI, have not been accounted for according to international standards. Even when the tsunami had hit Aceh on 26th of December 2005, where we had lost more than 200,000 Acehnese lives and almost 500,000 people homeless, the war between GAM and TNI forces continued unabated. We have also witnessed two peace deals between GAM and Indonesia. The first, the cessation of hostilities, COHA, mediated by Henry Dunant Center in Geneva, that collapsed in 2003, and the Memorandum of Understanding signed on 15th August 2005 in Helsinki, Finland, mediated by the Crisis Management Initiative. But after more than 16 years, we have seen that Jakarta is not sincere and not fulfilling the agreement when GAM has maintained its part of the deal. Let it be known to the world that we have adhered to the international community's support for a peaceful resolution to the long conflict. But we have been abandoned along the way. The dividends of peace is still far-reaching for us and our people. We are demanding what is rightfully ours. We shall continue to strive for the people of Aceh in accordance to international law and standards. Our struggle for self-determination is just and righteous. We call upon the international community for their moral and political support. We shall continue until our goals are achieved. So help us God. Thank you. Bakhtiar Abdullah, Deputy Head of the Free Aceh Movement Central Council. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.